Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to download Turnitin plagiarism and AI detection reports. So this is the class Research and Analysis. You just need to click View, and from here you can submit your document. You need to select the student. So I'm just selecting Mr. ABC. Document name. You need to select the document and just upload. Confirm. Go to assignment inbox. Now it starts showing us the similarity of 6%, but in order to get the detailed report, we need to click this green bar. A new page will be open, and on this page you will see the percentage of similarity. Just first you need to click this, and after that you can go to this particular arrow. Just click it. Here you can see three options: current view, digital receipt, and originally submitted file. You need to click this current view. So now it start preparing our download. Just select your location, write the file name. Maybe you can write it as Plagiarism Report and just save. And this is how you can download the plagiarism report. But to download AI detection report, you need to click this AI score. Again, a new page will be open, and you will see both the AI score and as well as the complete report. But to download it, just click this downward arrow and then AI writing report. Again, it will ask you the location to save the document, and here you can rename as well. I have renamed it as AI rewriting report and simply save. So this is how you can download the plagiarism and AI detection reports in Turnitin. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.